In today's video, I'll show you how to enable disappearing messages on Signal for better privacy. First, open the Signal app on your device. Once on the home page, find and open the conversation where you want to enable disappearing messages. Next, tap the contact name at the top of the screen. Then tap Disappearing Messages. You will see several timer options such as 4 weeks, 1 week, 5 minutes, 30 seconds, and more. You can also set a custom time if you want. For this example, select 1 hour, then tap Save. When you go back to the conversation, you will see a message confirming that the disappearing message timer is set to 1 hour. If you want to enable disappearing messages for all new chats, tap the 3 dots menu at the top right of the home page. Then go to Settings, Privacy. Under Disappearing Messages, choose the default timer you want, then tap Save. And that's it! That's how you enable disappearing messages on Signal for better privacy.